Oh, hello there, dudes. Today I was just playing my driving Empire, and they just released this new car, as you see here. And this is the new limited, I think so. They just released a new limited. Let me just show you on the dealership. Like, I am uploading the video like a 1 day later, so I'm sorry about that. So as we go on the new ones, they released this one, I think so. This is the new one. Yeah, this is a new cylinder. I don't know what company it is, but it looks good. Wait, these cars were already here. This Hennessy was here before. This Hennessy was here before. This was already here. And this one, that's new, I think so, that's new. And the next one I thought was, so as they released these new cars, some are new, some are, oh my god, dude, why did I enter it back? So, sorry guys, editor, cut this scene out of the video. So we'll just come on, oh my dude, I just gotta reset it. I gotta reset the time then. I gotta reset it. Like I gotta reset, and this is a new poster. Enter code. This is the code for this car. This is a code car. The code is USA 250. This is a new code in there to get this car. As you see, you have already completed the USA 20 car, and you get this car. Look, this looks like a slow car, like the other code cars, like which means, which one should I say? Any car. This one, the Happy 2026 one, this one should be already removed because kind of it's old now. Like this, like look how slow this is. Like this is hella so slow. It can't even reach 100 miles. And so we'll go with like this new car and Godzilla. That's a damn Godzilla. If you go in there, the drag race, go one solo and start the race. Like, look at the speed, look at the speed. 0 miles right there. Should we start at the race now? Like, look, just look at here. Like, this heavy car was so fast, crazy fast. Like, really fast. As you see, we're starting it. In 100 miles, like, did you see that, like, old car over there, like the 2026, like, new car? And look at this car, it reached like 300 miles easy, 400. Like, you see that, like, the new Koenigsegg just goes, like, that's faster, like, that's slower than this car. The new cars are slower. Nah, 433. Oh my dude, oh my god, 433 miles, like, nitro time is 5 seconds, like, how would I do that, like, like 24 seconds, like, this is one of my fastest cars, right here. Like, do you see my just go, this goes to 320, and that one goes, like, to 320, 333, and you must just go, like nothing against that thing. Like, some cars have a speed, and that car needs to get in like easy to stop. Look, you see, it can't go like 400, but that car is going at 400. Like, that's not even paid. Like, so you found the code, and you can use that code. As you see. So we have just got this. And you know, see the other cars I own, I have a lot of cars. Yeah, and I am thinking about, like, I created like a $1.9 million house. Let me just spawn to there. Why am I driving, dude? I just spawn to there. No. Okay, this is my house right here. Who the hell put my car over here? Yo, dude. Let me type in the chat. is my property, dude. My property. Can I buy him from my house? This damn dude, a $2 million car. Go. I will go. Left. Right. Oh. Oh. Wait. Bro. Video. Dude. Oh. Oh, we. Oh. Dude, I give up. This dude is not leaving my damn house. Leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Where? Oh. Bro. Update. Bro, I'm saying to do this on a new update. Nice. Nice. Dude, this dude is... Bro, this dude is not leaving my property and checking what he has a YouTube channel to. Bro, just leave my house, dude. I'm recording a damn video. Let me record the video, dude. Like, please, dude. Yes, you are in a video. You're in my video. Yours. The new UDAD then update, bro. Bro, I'll just show him the car. I'm recording this video. This fool is not letting me do my video. I'm leaving. Leave me alone. Like, I'm running away from my own house right now. I'm running away from it. This dude is not leaving me alone. I'm recording a damn video and he's not leaving me alone. Crazy. I'm not believing him. He has a YouTube channel. But this dude is not letting me record a damn video. Chill out. You wasting my time and I don't have to. I have to go in a private server. So I'll just make some money. I have to make a new video now. Nah, I'm gonna just continue with this one. Is this ready? This one too? God. Hopefully he left. I didn't give you a house tour yet. He left. Did he? He left. But I'm not gonna report this dude. So this is not the new house, I just got it. This is the kitchen. Small little kitchen. Okay, this is, I don't know what's that. That's the toilet then. That should be the room. Yeah, this is a room. I didn't know which room is mine yet, and that is not my room. That's, ooh, gaming PC, this is my room. That's the same PC, but mine's bigger. And the favorite thing is here is, oh my god, what the hell just happened? I am not about to modify my damn car. I'm not modifying my car, dude. Like, this is my favorite place. Let me just spawn this car. This car. And let's just spawn the drag racing GTO. Where is the drag racing edition? Here it is. So you see, it's a good looking car, but leave that one alone. That does not look good. These one do. But I love this car because it's fast. Faster than a 26. Yo, look, there's a new house. Just chilling. A boring video. Okay guys, so let's go and check out the new thing. I don't wanna cry. So guys, let's make a challenge. If I crash, I have to buy a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. But the twist is, I can't slow down. Dude, I'm good. Like, I do not want to spend my. I can only go straight. Wait, what about the handbrake? Oh, I don't want to stand up. No. Please, dude. I do not want to spend so much money on you. No. Come on. I'm not there. Stop, it's gonna happen. Okay, I'm not there. That didn't count. I have to buy a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. I have to buy a Lamborghini now. No. Let me go to France. Lamborghini. Here we have the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. I have to buy this thing now. Just spend some 1.6 million on a dumb car. I just spent so much money. Then I'm good drifting. I love this car. So I just crashed it. If I crash, I have to sell this car. If I crash entering my house, but I need to enter my house without crashing this thing into anything, even the slightest thing. Come on. Please. I'm not gonna enter without. I was just about to call my Jessica, and come on. Yes, I didn't crash. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye guys.